Good day. I'm going to install this trailer hitch tightener. Prevents this thing from banging around whether or not you're hauling a trailer. I've noticed this thing makes a racket. So I'm going to put this on. And I'm going to put it on as per the instructions. I have a different thought about it, but I'll just follow their instructions for the sequence for the nuts and stuff here. So it's basically just a U-bolt and a steel plate. The plate goes on the underside right there, just like that, and then this bolt will go on like this. So let's go ahead, let's get this together. So what they say as per the instructions, I'm supposed to put the flat washer on first, and then a nut. Flat washer and the nut. And it's 19 mil, so I'm just gonna give this a little snug. All right, I'm not going to get too crazy with it. I'll try to tighten up even. The next sequence is a washer, and they give you these actual, I don't know, they have the nylon in them. It's another lock washer, so it's kind of strange. Like, in my opinion, I put the lock washer on, put the normal washer and then the lock washer, but I don't know. I'm just doing it as per their instructions. There. Get this guy on. And go ahead and get this tightened up. I mean, this is not a super critical piece of your, when you're towing, so if it did happen to come off, it's really not much is gonna happen, except it will start rattling again. Okay, that's all there is to it. I'm gonna go take it out and test her out, let you guys know how it works. All right, I'll be back in a bit. Okay, so I wanted to go out and test this thing out. It does work, it makes a big difference. As you can see, this is the unit here, and there is sort of like a very dense rubber here. I didn't super tighten these down. It's not going to fall off. And yeah, it reduced all the racket in the car, all the banging and stuff, both with the trailer on or without the trailer on, because either way this thing was moving around all crazy and rattling. And especially with a unibody vehicle like this, you feel everything because it goes through the whole frame. Whereas, say for example, on a full frame like a truck or something, the frame is the frame, and the truck is somewhat isolated from the frame. I mean, it's bolted to the frame, but there's probably rubber and stuff in there that holds everything together. Absorbs shock and all that good stuff. So anyways, as I said, I pulled around a small 4x6 trailer over the past 2 days, and all was well. Pulled around some barrels of stuff, those 55-gallon drums. I had it full of those, eight of those in there, and also a lawn tractor, and yeah, it was good. So anyways, I could recommend it. I mean, I don't get paid for this, so I don't know, seems like it's nice, looks good. I like the green. Okay everyone, have a great day, like, subscribe, bye.